Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Alright, let's get into another edition of Ask John, and this question has come from my Facebook page. My Facebook page, which is facebook.com/shared trading mastery. That's where I'm posting all my updates and these questions I'm answering as well too. So I want to answer, Mark commented on, so Mark, you obviously know who you are. I'm answering your question. Mark said, "Hey John, I need to ask a question. I want to buy Tesla stock, and they are on the Nasdaq. Do I wait until the Nasdaq has a pullback, or should I buy now? P.S. This could be a stupid question." No, it's not really a stupid question, Mark. But the thing is, I want to let you know a few things that I see happening in Tesla stock, TSLA stock. The first thing I want to say is that I don't believe you should be buying any stock. Yes, Tesla stock is absolutely going nuts, but this is the thing. First thing I want to say is that I believe the whole economy is going to start coming down this year. Sometime through this year, we're going to start seeing some major pullbacks, I believe anyway. So I believe the wrong time is to be buying now. Yeah, so it's just the wrong time to be buying now, I believe. Anyway, so, but what I also do say is this, is that due to the way the market works, is that this is why most people don't make money in the market, is because unfortunately, what a lot of people do is they end up, they buy stocks where Tesla's not. Tesla's already had an amazing run, and this is where a lot of people start to buy it. That's actually the wrong thing to do. See, Mark, what actually happens is this, is that the way the markets work is we have a good run, and then we have a pullback, and then we have a good run, and then we have a pullback. That's the way the market works. So, Mark, if you're looking to buy a Tesla, forget the economy, forget everything I just said, is that this market has already had a little run up, little pullback, and a little run up. This has already had an extended move to the high side, and we are getting very, very close to having some sort of a pullback. So, one, I wouldn't be looking to buy Tesla. I wouldn't be looking to buy Tesla at all. Obviously, one, we're getting there's a few reasons. One, because of what's happening in the economy. Two, because we're at these major areas of weekly resistance, where we're at right now. And three, if you know how the markets work, then looking at the markets and looking at how the markets work, you will see and you understand that the market moves in swings and motions and stuff like that. And you can see here on the weekly chart that we've already had a massive run up. Buying where it is right now is absolutely suicide. It's the wrong time to buy. And Mark, I want you to learn this lesson from this day forward. If the market has already had a run up, that's when you start to get in. If the market's already had a run up like it has now, a lot of people, this is where a lot of amateur traders get in, and then the market reverses. Everyone waits for the move and then they go, "Oh, look, it's moving. I get in." And then it pulls back. They're like, "What the hell happened?" And then they get stopped out here, and then the market continues up, and they're like, "Oh my goodness." And then they're blowing up, right? They're going crazy. Right? They're absolutely going nuts, because you can see exactly what the chart does. So what I recommend doing is that, one, don't just buy this stock because you like buying a stock. Make sure you got like a formation or something like that you like. You know, don't just buy the stock because it's going up. That is the wrong thing to do. So what I do say is that get into a formation. See, what is best is to wait for a pullback and then buy it. But I'm not saying buy. You need some sort of form. You need some sort of system to get into. So for example, I like flags. So you can see here's a nice little flag formation. You can see it ran down, had a nice little pullback. We got a breakout. This is where I entered, and then the market drops. Makes sense? So I didn't wait for the market to drop and then go short here, because then guess what happens? The market runs. People go long here, we're likely to get a pullback sometime soon. And especially where we're at right now, we're at this long-term area of resistance right now on the weekly chart. Go back to the daily chart, you can see we're at, it's had a lot of problems out there. We've had an extended period run to the high side, a massive run to the high side. The market looks like it's going to pull back soon. This has already had a big pullback. All those reasons why I just said, you can adapt that to any system out there on the planet. But this is how the markets work. This is not a trading system. This is just saying, even if the economy was in good state, you don't buy a stock because it's literally gone up How much? Oh yeah, it's gone up almost 90%. 90%, it's almost gone up. Since the highs. Now people want to jump in Tesla because why? Because it's going absolutely nuts. It's like, oh wow, I should buy Tesla. So Mark, anyway, I hope this really helps you out, and I hope this helps you out moving forward when you're looking to buy stocks. Wait for a pullback the first and then buy. But again, you don't want to just wait for any pullback on any stock and buy. You always want to have some sort of system. And remember, Mark, there's money management, there's trade management, all those other things going to help you become a successful trader. If this thing pulls back and then it stops out, then that may happen. So, but for me, Mark, I am not a buyer in the market. The only thing I'm buying right now is the VIX. Hey, it's Howell here, and thanks so much for watching my video. You see, I'm putting out daily videos and education on helping you learning the art of successful trading. So click on the subscribe button to keep up to date with every video I do. Also, check out my story video, $250,000 in debt, cancer, overweight, family passing away, lived on the streets, and more, and how I overcome it and now thriving through my life. This is here to motivate you, so click on that image to watch my video. And lastly, if you're struggling with your trading, then you need to see my latest webinar where I'm sharing with you an amazing strategy that allows you to generate an income without getting the direction right. So click on that image on this page to register for my next free webinar. This is Howell here. Remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today.